Alright friends, we are going to create this text animation that as you can see on your screen with the help of simple JavaScript. This is the simple code that is being used to create this awesome effect. So for this you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder named circle type tutorial. So on clicking on this, you can find two files here. First one is the index.html and second one is the for styling our markup. Let's open with the code editor or the text editor that you have. I have by default VS Code. So on opening on the VS Code, as you can see, I have written nothing in the index.html, and in the style.css I have also written nothing. So coming back to the index.html, here in the index.html put a Zen coding or put a hyphen, then in the title just give a simple title. I have given that circle type text. Here you can give according to your choice. Here in this body section I have created a div of id text. Here in this put a dummy paragraph or anything that you want to display on your document. Here I have written Saste Coder Vishal Kumar and there will be slash, and remember one thing that I have put in and NBSP and semicolon. This is for non-breakable space so that there will be a continuous ring form. So as you can see the result, and now we are going to style this. Before it I want to link this by the link.style.css after the title. Here in the style.css put a body margin 0 padding 0. Please leave a comment if you find some mistake, then please comment it down so that in the upcoming videos I will be able to sort out those mistakes in the future and you will be able to get the more output of this result. So I have put in the background is 00f 97, which is light green, and font family is sans serif because I don't want the default font family to act on my document. So here I just copy my text. Here I am going to edit this id giving the position absolute. All we know that if we want to align the text in the center, then we have to put the position absolute, then top 50 left 50 and transform translate minus translate, and it will be minus 50% from x-axis and 50% from y-axis, as we all know. Please do leave a comment because if you do not reply that which are the mistakes, then how can I resolve those problems? So please comment it down, and if you find this video some while helpful to you, then please comment. And then here color is white and font family is 4em so that it will be visible. Here I am giving the font weight also because it is so much lighter with the font family sans serif, so I have given it bold here. Now in this I am giving a simple animation that we are going to work in this. It will be the name is animate and duration is 10 seconds and it will be a linear and infinite times, means that after 10 seconds it will start looping itself. Here I am creating a keyframe. Here as you can see by default I have pasted it 0%, not it was 0% I, and here in this I will give a transform of rotate 360 degree so that it will initially at the 360 degree and go to 0 degree. So here in this our final product will be the 100% when the animation, so it will be 0. So as you can see the result, this is not the actual that we wanted. Now in this body we are going to put the overflow hidden so that the extra floating element will be hidden. Here in this I am going to put the cursor and write the translate minus 50% and minus 50%. So as you says that the text will align at the center. Now the problem is how we can circle it. So here in the new tab just type for jQuery CDN. So after you have written the jQuery CDN, then there will be the first website that you have to visit. Here is the output. This is the official website. Here and click in the minified, copy this script and copy this script in your index.html after linking the css file here in this. Now in the next tab just you have to write the lettering.js, which is lettering.js we are going to use. And here after entering, this is the first website that you will see on your web page. Click on this this is the official website of the lettering.js. Just you can put this JS on your web page. Here I have clicked download the zip, and here I have given it, just copy it, copy this thing into my folder. Here coming back to into this, and now type circle type dot typ dot js. After writing it, as you can see, there will be also the first website that you have to visit here, and here this is the circle.js. Click on the download on GitHub. So downloading it in the zip file, as you can see, now this copy this thing into the main file. So as you can see this result, now we want to extract this file here only. I have extracted by the help of the extraction, and here second folder also. Now after this, in the lettering.js, click on this, then copy this jQuery lettering and paste it here and in the circle distinct. Now copy this thing into the main folder. After pasting, now just cut them, and then after the script that we have linked jQuery, now we have to link this jQuery.lettering.js. Now here after it, now we have to add another script of circle type.js. After saving it, as you can see, there will be there was no result found. Now we have to come back here in this circle.type.js. Here as you can see, as you can install it by the npm also. Here we have linked it also, and then this is the main code that is actually working now, but we want to put a circle. So copy this thing and then commit to here. Now create a simple script without any source code. Now paste it here and paste it. After pasting it, just align it at the center, and as you can see, and get element by my element. So we are going to put the name of our element, so put it here, and after saving it, as you can see the result. Now as you can see, the text is flowing at the left, we want to flow it at the right, so put -360 so that their origin will be changed. So as you can see, it is floating to the right side. Now we are going to create a simple layer so that there will be a more attractive intellectual or anything that you want to say, that it will be more occurring. So here in this I am styling the layer class. Here in this I am putting the position absolute, top 50 and left 50, top 0 sorry, left 0, and width not width, it is transform translate -50% and -50%. And after this you have to give a simple background of red color, light red color. So its code is D40056. After saving it, now there is no preview because we have not put in the width and the height, so we have to put the width 50% and height 50%. So please leave a comment if you find this video helpful to you, and I daily upload this kind of videos in my channel. Please do subscribe this channel for our more upcoming videos and comment it down. So as you can see, the result that has been shortened out by the help of erasing the transform 50%. So here I have put in the z index 1 so that there will be a difference, and mixed blend mode the text has been. So please do like, share and comment this video in your friends, because I daily upload more learning videos in this channel, and I want you to be practice this a lot.